Meet the Downey Woodpecker, a small yet fascinating bird found across North America. These woodpeckers are known for their unique drumming sounds. Their diet primarily consists of insects and seeds. Males have a small red patch on the back of their heads. They create nesting cavities in dead trees. Their small size makes them agile climbers. Downey woodpeckers are often seen in pairs during breeding season. They play a crucial role in forest ecosystems. Their presence helps control insect populations. They are often mistaken for the larger hairy woodpecker. Listen for their characteristic peck-peck sound. The Downey woodpecker is a true gem of the avian